No compromise, no limits. This is where transport beasts unleash their raw power and elite skills are forged in fire. Every turn, every shift of weight, every fraction of a second counts in the world of extreme heavy machinery transport. Feel the pulse of every challenge as the world's largest and most powerful machines move with precision across the most unforgiving terrain. The air is thick with tension. A convoy of colossal machinery approaches the edge of a steep, narrow mountain pass. The ground beneath them is unstable, cracked by the elements and years of erosion. The machines are massive, but their operators are unfazed. They know the risks, the dangers, the complexities of the task at hand. Every movement must be calculated. A mistake could lead to disaster. But these professionals, seasoned by years of experience, are not backing down. They are determined. As the first truck starts its climb, you can feel the sheer weight of the operation. The tires grind against the gravel, each turn a delicate balance of power and control. A slight miscalculation, and it's game over. But the driver doesn't flinch. The steering wheel turns with absolute precision, the engine roaring as if it were alive. The vehicle lurches, but it holds steady. The crew is all eyes and ears, watching every moment unfold. And then, a sharp gasp from the team. The ground shifts beneath one of the massive wheels, and for a heart-stopping second, it looks as if the entire load might topple. But it doesn't. The truck inches forward, narrowly escaping disaster. The crew breathes a collective sigh of relief, but there's no time to celebrate. The path ahead is treacherous, and every mile feels like an eternity. This isn't just about brute force. It's about precision. It's about skill. It's about controlling the impossible. Every machine in this convoy has been meticulously engineered, honed to perfection, and yet the true challenge lies in the human hands that command them. Every movement, every shift of weight, requires a deep understanding of the machine's capabilities. The operators must read the landscape, anticipate obstacles, and make adjustments on the fly. They are the conductors of a massive orchestra, where each piece must play its part flawlessly. The team isn't just moving equipment, they are moving mountains. A massive steel beam, weighing several tons, is being carefully maneuvered through a maze of narrow roads. The driver's hands tighten on the wheel, every inch of the road a potential danger. But the operator's focus remains unshaken. Every bump in the road, every sudden shift, is accounted for. In the distance, a massive crane awaits its cargo. The load is immense, far beyond what most would consider transportable. But the team is undeterred. His hands working in sync with the machine's movements. The boom extends. reaching higher and higher until it's poised to lift the enormous steel structure. With a roar, the crane's arm jerks alive, pulling the structure into the air. The weight of the load tests the limits of the machine, but it's nothing the crane can't handle. The steel structure is carefully positioned onto a waiting flatbed trailer, but the journey isn't over. The convoy continues, barreling down a narrow road flanked by towering cliffs. The pressure is on. The operators know that one misstep could lead to disaster. As the machines approach a sharp curve, the driver's heart races. The road is slick with rain, and visibility is poor. The convoy's speed must be reduced. A bulldozer. The team races to bring in the machine, positioning it with precision. The bulldozer's blade rams into the boulder, and with a few powerful movements, the rock is cleared. The team doesn't miss a beat. It's just another obstacle overcome in this high-stakes world of heavy machinery transport. The team isn't just battling nature. They are also facing the limits of technology. A massive drilling rig is being transported across a rickety bridge. As the operation unfolds, the crew's focus never wavers. They are the architects of an extraordinary feat, pulling off the impossible with skill and expertise. And when the rig reaches its destination, the team erupts in cheers. It's not just about the machines, it's about the people behind the wheel. Behind the controls, behind the scenes. Without their craftsmanship, none of this would be possible. The convoy presses on. The journey is far from over. The crew faces new challenges at every turn, each one more complex than the last. These machines and the people behind them are unstoppable. And then, the final challenge, the ultimate test of skill. A massive excavation machine must cross a frozen river. The ice is thin, and every move could shatter it. The crew holds its breath as a machine moves across the frozen surface. The ice creaks, but it holds. A cheer erupts from the crew as the machine safely reaches the other side. The journey is complete. The convoy has conquered everything in its path, defying the odd with precision and skill. But this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. There are more challenges, more machines, more obstacles. The convoy will continue to push the limits, breaking barriers, and showcasing the true power of heavy machinery transport. If you've been on the edge of your seat, waiting for the next challenge, don't miss out on the next heart-pounding adventure. Subscribe now and join us in more high-stakes, high-powered transport operations. Because with every mile, there are no limits, no compromise.